When I first got here, it's kind of like I don't really know anybody, you know, and I feel like I made so many genuine connections while I've been out here, and you know, just having fun with the things that I love to do, you know, whether it's basketball or sneakers or shoes, and just making those connections and, you know, enjoying them.
I'm Nico Christian, and this is my event, 210 Meetup. I like shoes, I like vintage clothing, so combining together, make a meetup. I get all the vendors here. They come out of their love and support for the city too. I'm getting people outside of San Antonio to come support us, so I really do this for the love. This is vintage. This is vintage. The shoes, Jay resells. Go to him. I got a shirt I found in the closet, really. It went with the shoes.
I got a vintage Spurs starter crew neck, two-tone, Lululemon shorts, and the Nike SB Atmos, probably my favorite SBs. It's a great feeling. I mean, when I first started vintage, it was just like vintage clothing, you know, make it as a hobby, and then it just blew up with like, you know, meeting Keldon and building a relationship with him. So, you know, we just had an idea of, hey, let's do a vintage pop-up, you know, for the community. So it was pretty cool.
Y'all got any size 10.5s anywhere?
Yeah, bro.
What size are these?
So what size are these?
Where y'all size 10.5?
10.5. I ain't gonna lie, I actually put them on these. I put them on these right here. Put you on these. Yeah. You know.
How much those are? What are those? Those are 14?
Oh, off his foot, down.
I don't know.
He creasing them. He creasing them.
Boy, we straight. I ain't gonna let it 50.
What size are these Grinches?
12.
12. My brother needs a size 12. How much you selling them for?
Put these aside.
Hooked up?
Put these aside.
All right.
So 100%.
Put these aside.
I got you. This is like an idea we all came up with. And you know, we just put it into play and we went for it. We enjoying it. At the end of the day, this is something we all love. We all enjoy the same thing, love the same thing. So we just put together little events and have fun with it, you know?
So this is Lone Range and Cozy Vintage. I mean, look at the drip they got on. They have to have good stuff. Lonely Ranger right here showed me, can you show them the piece?
Yes, sir, I got
You showed me a dope piece I've never seen like before. It's a two-sided shirt, kind of.
This is a Y2K Resident Evil shirt. And in the inside, you got the zombie. Wow.
I mean, I'm definitely coming back for this piece later, so hopefully you can hold on to it to me.
I got you, bro, I got you.
This is where I'm probably gonna shop the most today. I'm not really looking for shoes today, so I'm looking for clothes. It's Picate Mucho. They're one of the top selling candy brands in Texas right now. They got 6,000 followers on Instagram. They were in the news, they're big right now. Great candy, they got gushers, shower belts, rim dip. I mean, you wanna say something? You want to say something?
Yeah, guys, we're just so thankful for all the followers, all of our customers. We love you guys, Laredo. They're calling us up to San Antonio, so we're super happy to be here. Kathy's worked so hard on these candies, man. They're just so delicious. Enchilada candies are great, and you know, we just appreciate all the support. Thanks.
I just got one myself. It's so good. You put it around, just dip it, no seconds, goes down smooth. Good.
You know he's ready for the Cowboys game.
Go Cowboys, baby. Go Cowboys. Cowboy Nation, baby.
I'm a Giants fan, so.
Axel.
Without the fans, like, I wouldn't be Keldon, you know? Like, those guys they drive me and make me go to the next level by how much support they show. And you know, that's what it's all about, you know. And when I'm able to go out there and, you know, sign jerseys and see and interact with the fans, is, you know, that make my day just like it make their day, to see how happy they are.
Jersey, man, this jersey is custom made, Fiesta colors. It's a little different than what they wear, but it's something unique. Oh, the event's great, man. It's great to have them involved with the community, doing things, and coming out here signing some autographs and adding to our Spurs collection and just being involved with the city. So it's a great thing. It's a great thing.
It's dope. I went to the one, it was like a month ago. I'm from Seattle, so coming down here, not really knowing people and just being in school, this gives me something to do on the weekend, like go out and meet new people like you, meet everybody out here, the vendors.
and just connecting myself, getting their Instagrams, grabbing it, and being able to have connections for the future.
I love Colors Boost Emotions. I've been doing this for about 1.5 years. This one, I just saw Lonnie Walker wearing this one from the Spurs. I love it because it has Rodman on it with the Spurs jersey, and then of course Robinson when he was the MVP. And then Colors Boost Emotions is my page, so I love the colorful pieces. We have the rainbow heart-shaped Betty Boop from '93. And then I can show you a couple of my favorite shoes. At these, the PSGs with the stripes on the back, and then of course the Grail, the box logo.
I think it's cool. I think it's really cool. This is the second time they did this event. This is the new location. I really like the location. It's like a really good flow. I mean, we're just getting started, so hopefully there's a lot of people that come in. I would probably say Natural Born Killer. I actually pulled that one out at the Rags. That's a good piece. I would definitely probably go with, you can't go wrong with Spurs. I'm always picking Spurs. I have a pretty decent collection with Spurs stuff. And then something in the racks. Let's do a NASCAR tee. You can't go wrong with NASCAR. You can find me at Traders Village. I'm open Saturday, Sunday, 12 to 6. And I'm always restocking throughout the week, so just pull up and cash out.
Here I'm with a Hustling Vintage. He's one of my friends. I've been buying from him for maybe over 1 year now. Really good prices, really good pieces. I got my friend right here. This is a Lucky Find. This is Lucky Find Vintage right here, guys. I've been buying from him lately as well, We built a good relationship, friendship now, so he has really good pieces. He comes up more out of the sports tees, college, that's why I, look for more, so it's been good. Right now we're at Rio Siempre. He has his own shop. He just opened up his own little shop, but he has probably one of the best Spurs collections I've seen. So like right here we got, this starter vintage Spurs jacket. He has a lot of it. I've been shopping with him lately, maybe the last couple of months, but he's one of my favorite shops to go to because that's where it's at, the Spurs stuff, and that's why I love the Spurs. For the future honestly sky's the limit. We have so many connections around with the Spurs players, friendships, and from here, we're just looking to do bigger things,